Do you dream of achieving millionaire status? What if I told you that debt could be the key to unlocking your financial dreams? Contrary to popular belief, not all debt is bad. Strategic debt can be a powerful tool to create wealth. By leveraging borrowed money, you can invest in assets that appreciate over time, generating greater returns than the interest you pay. Take real estate, for example. You can purchase a property and benefit from its value appreciation by taking out a mortgage. As rent payments come in, they can cover your mortgage, leaving you with positive cash flow and an asset that grows in value. Business loans also offer a unique opportunity to accelerate your wealth-building journey. With borrowed funds, you can start or expand a business, increasing your income potential and building equity in the process. This can lead to substantial profits and long-term financial security. Of course, it's important to be responsible with debt. Before taking on any loans, assess your financial situation, create a solid repayment plan, and understand the risks involved. Remember, not all debts are created equal, and it's essential to differentiate between good and bad debt. You're turbocharging your financial growth by strategically using debt to invest and build assets. So don't be afraid to embrace debt as a tool on your journey towards millionaire status. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please subscribe to our channel for valuable financial tips and strategies. Together, let's unlock your path to millionaire status.